Hey guys, Alec Miles here with eXp Realty, your smart Alec Realtor going the extra miles. Now, are you looking for that perfect investment property? Well, look no further. Welcome to 1576 Aldersbrook here in Whitehills, London, Ontario, located in the northwest end of the city. This is going to be a perfect rental income property for any investor looking to increase their portfolio, or if you're looking for a bigger space for your growing family, look no further. Come on, check it out, guys. Let's go take a look. All right, guys, welcome inside 1576 Aldersbrook. Here you're gonna find 6 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, loads of bonus space, tons of storage, a finished basement, and a huge yard out back. Go take a look. Hey guys, thanks for staying tuned for my video tour of this property. If you guys are looking for a sound investment or just looking for that new family home, I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you take care and all the best for now.